to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make bay leaf tea and also some of the benefits of bay leaf. So stay tuned. Make this drink. I'll be making use of dried bay leaves. I'll be using 4 leaves. Bay leaf contain some anti-inflammatory and anti-bacterial properties. It also contains vitamin C, A, and some essential oil. This bay leaf tea is beneficial for the skin, hair, teeth, and for your body. So I'm going to add the bay leaf into a pot. I'll be adding 1 cup of water. Then I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to boil for about 5 minutes on a low heat. After about 5 minutes of boiling the bay leaf, I'm going to remove from the heat and allow to cool. When the tea has cooled down, pour into a cup and drink on empty stomach as a first drink in the morning. It's a very healthy tea that will help to cleanse your airways. It is good for relieving cold, flu, and also aids digestion. You can use this tea for treating migraine, and it can also help to get rid of worm, parasite, and also increase your immunity. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.